Welcome to this 10-minute guided meditation for stress relief. Find yourself a calm and comfortable place where you can sit or lie down. Make sure your body is fully supported and relaxed. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with calm and tranquility. Hold for a moment, and then exhale slowly, letting go of any stress or tension. We will begin by focusing on our breath. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, allowing your abdomen to rise as you fill your lungs completely. Hold this breath for a few seconds and then exhale gently through your mouth, letting go of any stress or tension. Continue this deep breathing pattern, each breath bringing you deeper into relaxation. Now, bring your awareness to the top of your head. Feel a wave of relaxation spreading down, relaxing your scalp, your forehead, and your eyes. Let this relaxation flow down your face, softening your cheeks and jaw. Allow the relaxation to move down your neck and shoulders. Feel the tension melting away as your shoulders drop and your neck loosens. Let this calming sensation travel down your arms, through your elbows, forearms, and all the way to your fingertips. Focus now on your chest and back. With each breath, feel your chest rise and fall, releasing any tightness. Let your back relax, from your upper back down to your lower back. Allow this wave of relaxation to move through your abdomen, softening your stomach muscles. Feel it flow down to your hips, thighs, and knees, releasing any tension in these areas. Let the relaxation continue down your legs, through your calves, ankles, and all the way to your feet. Your entire body is now completely relaxed and at ease. Take a moment to set a positive intention for this meditation. Silently repeat to yourself, I release all stress and embrace peace. Feel these words resonate within you, filling you with a sense of calm and positivity. Imagine yourself in a peaceful, natural setting. Perhaps you are sitting by a serene lake, the water calm and still, reflecting the clear blue sky. Visualize the gentle ripples on the surface of the water, mirroring the calmness you seek within yourself. Feel the tranquility of this place, allowing it to fill you with peace and relaxation. With each breath, feel yourself sinking deeper into relaxation. Imagine the stresses of your day being washed away, like leaves floating on the surface of the water, drifting away from you. Feel the sense of calm growing within you, each breath reinforcing your inner peace. Now, introduce calming affirmations into your mind. Silently repeat to yourself, "I am calm, I am at peace, I am free from stress." Let these affirmations sink deeply into your consciousness, reinforcing your inner calm and tranquility. As you continue to breathe deeply and evenly, hold on to this sense of peace and relaxation. Know that you can return to this state of calm at any time during your day, simply by focusing on your breath and repeating your affirmations. Take a moment to reflect on something you are grateful for today. It could be a person, an experience, or even this moment of peace. Allow this feeling of gratitude to fill your heart, enhancing your sense of well-being and contentment. Begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Feel the surface beneath you, the air around you, and any sounds that may be present. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, gently start to move your fingers and toes. When you feel ready, open your eyes slowly. Take a moment to appreciate the calm and relaxation you've cultivated during this meditation. Carry this sense of peace with you throughout your day, knowing that you can return to it whenever you need. Thank you for joining this guided stress relief meditation. Have a peaceful and stress-free day. Namaste.